This video is going to be about tone. Now, tone is, if you like, the mood of the speaking. Yeah. So in terms of this one here, so if I say I'm really happy, yeah, then maybe I'm not happy. Oh, I'm really happy. Yeah. So it's like that tone should reflect what you want to say. Or you might say, I'm not so happy, but that doesn't make sense because your face is smiling and it sounds like you are happy. So really you want to be, I'm not so happy. So of course these tones will help you to express yourself in a better way. Now, for example, you might find some people using some body language. They're not happy to say, yeah, I'm not happy about this. Yeah, so it's kind of like extra, if you like, body language plus tone is a very strong way to express yourselves. Or you might find some people around the world, their hands are waving around, oh, this is fantastic, so lots of hand movements, lots of things. But of course, the tone of your voice can help you to get what you want. So if you want to ask for something, oh, please may I have some more? So it's like that sort of change of tone or slightly change of, accentuation of some of the words can really help you to express yourself in certain situations. Now, you may not want to speak like this all the time, meaning like, oh, I'm really not happy, yes, nothing's going my way. It's a bit sort of dramatic. So you might want to just say, oh, I'm really not happy, and then go back to the normal way of speaking. Like, I'm really not happy, but anyway, if you guys want to come in and we'll just talk about this, blah, blah, blah. So you've used some kind of tone of emphasis, but then now you're back into your normal way of speaking. Hope that makes sense. Mix it up a little bit. Try some different tones. You might be using sarcasm as well. So, oh, I'm really happy about this. So, a bit of sarcasm as well. But different kinds of tones will put across different meanings. Anyway, try it out. Let me know what you think of this, and we'll catch up next video.